Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use stablecoins on CoinRabbit. CoinRabbit supports major stablecoins like USDT, Tether and USD coin. Cryptocurrencies pegged roughly 1:1 to the US dollar. Because their price does not fluctuate much, they're commonly used for the lending, earning interest and liquidity without selling volatile crypto holdings. In order to use the stablecoins on CoinRabbit, open any of the browsers you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar, type down coinrabbit.io and enter it over here and select this my wallet in the top right. Over here on the left hand side we can find this loans here. Click onto this loan, and under this loan you can pick the collateral over here, and you can also use the stable coin. Select this here in the right hand side and select USDT. You can also search for it over here and select the stable coins, and you can enter the amount you want to receive in the stable coins over here as well on the bottom, and select this LTP over here, and you can also choose the APR, and after that you can send your collateral to the provided wallet address and select this get loan over here, and after confirmation you will receive the stable coins in your wallet. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.